Hello, everyone. Lucia Allen and I have worked on our research, and we did the survey like you guys, about Ebonics. We both had in common that we were not familiar with the term Ebonics or what it was. So we found this assignment very useful and important since we became aware with it. And one of the reasons is because we were not born and raised in the United States, and in our jobs we were not exposed to it. According to demographics, you can see the majority of our respondents were females, and also that the majority are white. So we find that it's a little biased. We wish to do we were hoping to do a survey research where we have more than 20 people participating, and also we have people from other races, including the Black or African American, which might have more exposure to Ebonics. The age group, they're all between 35 and 44 years old. The majority of them we haven't included on our survey, but we asked our participants about their jobs, and they were 25% were teachers, 15% worked for schools, in other positions, 10% had other professions as cleaner, managers related to advertisement or home improvement. So that was regarding the profession. 95% of them actually heard the term Ebonics before. 5% didn't, and Lucia and I, would be in that group. Do you think the teachers should be aware of and accept the use of Ebonics in schools? 60% responded. But then, Ebonics is not allowed. They should punish the school. We were surprised about this response, that some of them would agree, that the students should be punished for using, Ebonics instead of standard English. But I think the question was a little, I would word it different the next time, maybe saying that if they were punished for using it in assessments, or in other like activities in the classroom where they were required to use standard English. Ebonics is a dialect. 50% of them actually agree that it was a dialect, and 50% disagree. When we went back to our readings, and we found Professor Wolfram on his presentation about dialects, he described dialects as a variety of language spoken in one part of a country, regional or dialect, or by people belonging to a particular social class, social dialect, which is different in some words, grammar, and pronunciations from other forms of the same language. Dialect is often associated with a particular accent. Sometimes the dialect gains a status and becomes the standard variety for a country. That's why I think that we agree that Ebonics is a dialect, since it's spoken by a particular social class for the most part. Can teachers and people benefit from being trained about Ebonics and Black vernacular English? 70% agree, and we also agree with them in the sense that as teachers, we should be aware, we should be aware of the possibility of having students who might have been exposed to Ebonics, and also, support our students, in using it and help them, also improve their standard English. Do you think standard English should be taught in the classroom? Do you think only standard English? And 85% actually agree with that. All the participants agree that Ebonics is appropriate at home, but not at school and work. So in the conclusions, we found very useful to reread the work of Peregoy and Boyle regarding languages and dialects. According to this author, languages can act as instruments of social, cultural, and political power. This is why we consider the standard language the language that needs to be used in schools, because this is the language of the media and academics. However, this does not mean that the dialects of that language, like Ebonics, should be considered derogatory or of lower value. Instead, as teachers or as professionals, we should be aware of them. This standpoint can be perceived in the result of the survey, as well as the need to be trained on this issue, not only language teachers, but all professional educators, especially those who are exposed to Ebonics or that are exposed to other type of dialects in the classroom. Pedagogy and Boyle describe the first language as the mother tongue and the word mother, and gives a lot of value to that language. That's what we call it, the mother tongue. In turn, when we are attacking the mother tongue of our students, even if it is Ebonics in this case, or if it is Spanish or Russian or French, any language, their first language, their mother tongue, we are attacking their affections and their identity. So I think as teachers, we need to be really careful, when teaching these students. This can cause harmful consequences of that student's education. So the denial or negative attitude toward that language is detrimental. So instead, we recommend to accept and recognize the validity of the language, and use it to teach the standard language, and so that the student can have a successful education. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found these conclusions and our thoughts on the assignment helpful.